Have you ever wondered why you're not losing weight despite following all the popular advice? Welcome to another enlightening episode of Weight Loss Myths Busted. Don't fall for these common mistakes. Today we're taking a deep dive into the sea of misinformation and myths surrounding weight loss and how they may be sabotaging your efforts to shed those extra pounds. First on the list is the myth that says eating late at night causes weight gain. This belief has made many shun their dinner plates for fear of gaining weight. However, it isn't the time of day you eat that affects your weight, but rather what and how much you eat. If you consume more calories than your body burns throughout the day, irrespective of the time, you'll gain weight. So feel free to have that dinner, but keep it balanced and within your daily calorie limit. Next up, we have the age-old myth that carbs are the enemy. This couldn't be further from the truth. While it's true that consuming excessive refined carbs like white bread and pasta can lead to weight gain, complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are essential for a balanced diet. They provide the energy your body needs to function and keep you feeling full, which can actually help with weight loss. Moving on, we encounter the myth that all calories are equal. While technically a calorie is a calorie, the source of those calories can have a big impact on your health and weight. For instance, consuming 200 calories from a donut is not the same as getting them from a plate of mixed vegetables. The latter provides more nutrients and fiber, making you feel fuller and more satisfied. Another common myth is that starving yourself helps you lose weight. This is a dangerous misconception. When you starve, your body goes into survival mode, slowing down your metabolism to conserve energy. This can make it even harder to lose weight. Instead, focus on eating a balanced diet with the right portion sizes. Lastly, we have the myth that exercise is the only key to weight loss. While exercise is vital for a healthy lifestyle, it is not the sole factor in weight loss. Diet plays a much larger role. You can't outrun a bad diet no matter how much you exercise, so ensure you're eating right and exercising for the best results. In conclusion, weight loss is a journey that requires the right information and a balanced approach. Don't fall for the myths that promise quick fixes and instant results. Instead, focus on maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and a positive mindset. Thank you for joining us on this myth-busting journey. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out the helpful link in the video description below for more information. Until next time, remember, the only bad workout is the one you didn't do, and the only bad meal is the one that doesn't nourish your body.